Now that the seal coat is dry, these pipe are being moved to the spigot striping machine. This process is automated, and our machines will place each pipe into the proper position so that all spigot stripes are applied in the correct location. Each pipe is rolled as the paint applicator rises to meet the pipe, and 2 lines are painted 360 degrees around the exterior of the pipe. The spigot stripes correspond to the depth of the bell and help the installer gauge full insertion of the spigot end into the bell of a companion pipe during assembly. The spigot stripes also serve as an excellent visual guide during initial joint assembly. If the stripes are parallel with the face of the bell in all directions, it is safe to push the joint together without concern for the rubber gasket. After the joint has been fully assembled, it can then be deflected between 2 and 5 degrees in any direction depending on the size of the pipe and joint type.